China has started work on a mega project to build an integrated national big data system to improve overall computing power and resource efficiency. The project involves establishing 8 national computing hubs. 4 will be in economically backward regions. The other 4 will locate in the more developed regions. Meanwhile, 10 national data center clusters will also be established. The project indicates that China's strategy to channel more computing resources from the country's eastern regions to its less developed yet resource-rich western regions is in full swing. It will support the less developed, renewable energy resource-rich regions to store and process data transmitted from the economically advanced areas to address the soaring demand and the regional capacity imbalance. It is also China's solution to the dilemma of supporting the highly energy-demanding data centers under ambitious carbon goals, as one mega data center could consume up to 100 million kilowatt-hours of electricity a year.